Greetings. In this video I'll show you how to install and configure WordPress authoring software you can use to create websites offline without the need of internet locally on your machine. So let's get started. So I have this folder here. It is WordPress. So it is zipped, which means that there are some files which are combined to form this one folder for easy sharing and access. So the first thing to do is right click on this file, you choose copy. Once you copy it, go to Windows Start button, then you scroll down. In case you're using Windows 7, go to all of programs. After going to Windows button, start menu, then all programs. In case you're using Windows 10, just scroll down. You will see XAMPP. When you see XAMPP, there is a folder. It is XAMPP htdocs folder. You click on it, it will open, and then right click here in the space, and then paste the folder you have copied. So my folder is pasted, however it is not extracted, so you have to extract this folder so that you can use it. Then you right click here, you choose select extract here, then it will extract this folder so that you can use it. It depends on the Windows. On Windows 7, I think it takes like 3 to 4 minutes. Then here it is showing 5 minutes. So when it is done, we are going to rename it. Well, it is done now. You see that we have this folder WordPress. So you right click on it, you give it a name of the website you're creating. Let me use a abbreviation. Let me say my website is Roots Real Estate. So let me use RE. If not, let me use just one word, Roots, in the sentence case, Roots, and then hit enter. So this my folder has been renamed Roots. So what next? go to the start menu and then you look for XAMPP control panel. If not, scroll down, you can type it, or you can scroll down, you select it, XAMPP control panel. Once you select it, it will appear. Here it comes. Then you're going to activate or to start these first 3 buttons. You start Apache. If it is your first time, you will see an alert of activating the firewall. You just allow, give access. Then you start MySQL, and then you can close this once it is done. Now the next step, you can close this folder, this file explorer, then open a web browser, your favorite one. So I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. So since I've installed this locally, I will use the word localhost. I hit enter. So what I'm going to do, I have my folder, so I have to create a database for the files I have in my roots folder. So I come here, I go to PHP my admin, I click there. Then it will load this. Go to database. I'm creating database for the folder called roots, because that is the one I want to use to create my website. I type it, just a simple name, roots db, like that, roots database. Make sure that you can easily remember or recall this file name, this database name. Create. It has been created. Make sure that you see that alert. Now open another tab. Then I want to access the other folder. I pasted in XAMPP htdocs localhost /roots. Roots, it is the name of the folder I gave to the other folder I pasted. Roots. Then I hit enter. It will load and brings you this. So what is required? Database name we have created here, it is called roots, that is database name. Then username is root. Then we have database password, we don't have a password. And then database host, it is locally hosted, which means those are the things I'm going to fill. So I'll click let's go. Here is roots db. The way you created it here, it is db is small d and small b. So here, this is the username. If you're using this software locally on your PC, username, it is the same name, it is always roots, and even database name, it is always localhost. There is no password. So what changes on here, it is on the database name. I can say that estates, in case it is the one I created, but the rest remains the same. The rest remain the same. So let me put it back, roots. Then I scroll down, I submit. Once you have provided the correct information, you will see this, and then you run the installation. Now this takes us to the next page where you can enter the site name. Site name, I said I'm going to create for Roots Real Estates Limited. Then username, since I'm the one going to use it, let me say admin at roots.com. Remember, these are the guidelines. Usernames can have only alphanumeric characters, spaces, or underscores, and then a symbol. This is my symbol here. Then to simplify its access, let me just highlight this. I make it as the password so that I don't forget it, and even the email, so that you can easily access it. At least when you forget the password, you just remember that you used the username. Then I hit install. Click on install to proceed. So WordPress is being installed in the database you created. Perfect. So let me save the password because I'll be using the same computer. So I log in. Once you see this, just click on login. You remember the username and the password you have just created. You choose, you click, you check remember me, and then log in. So in case you want to visit the website, you click here, go to website. Well, this is the dashboard. Can dismiss this. This is the dashboard. You have to first set up. So far we have successfully installed and configured the WordPress software on our machines.